Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Check iPhone iOS and the Watch OS because mismatched versions block pairing. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone and place the watch on its charger so it stays powered. Now open the Watch app and tap Start Pairing. The app scans for the watch. You do this to create a secure initial link and exchange the pairing code. This immediate pairing step initiates the encrypted handshake that lets both devices trust one another. You should now confirm the pairing. Use your iPhone camera to center the watch animation or type the code shown on the watch if needed. Once paired, choose whether to set up as new or restore from an iCloud backup. Restoring brings apps, settings, and watch faces so you save time. Make sure you sign in with your Apple ID to enable activation lock and services. Then enable location, Siri, and cellular if applicable. These permissions let notifications, maps, and calls function smoothly between devices. You finish by waiting for the sync progress to hit 100% and allowing apps to install. Be patient because large backups take time. After sync, verify notifications, health data, and Apple Pay in the watch settings so core features work as expected. If something goes wrong, try restarting both devices first. If that fails, reset network settings on the iPhone or unpair and repair the watch. Unpairing creates a fresh backup and often clears stubborn pairing errors so you can retry cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.